In this video, we will discuss the need email verification settings of user registration. For this setting, you need an email verification page. Otherwise, the verification will not work. You can select a page that is already created, or you can create a page automatically by clicking the button. This page will be redirected to users when they want to verify their email addresses. Now, go to Email Notifications. Then, the User Registration Email. In the User Notification option, you need to add a verification placeholder. By default, the new user registers as subscriber. So, I am customizing the subscriber's email body. Then, add the %email verification URL placeholder. After done with the customization, let's try a new user registration. Now let's check the email. Here, you will get an email with an email verification link. If you click the link, it will redirect you to the email verification page. You will see a notification that your account is activated. In the email, you will also get a new email that your email is verified successfully. This way, the need email verification of user registration settings works. Thank you for watching.